put that in, fit that together, and then we can see where that's going into there. Get the combination square, and we'll take, that should be a mitre there like that, yeah? So if I take that point there, and then just come back about 3mm, so there, and mark that, and then at the other side, we're going to mark where that bottom rail comes into your stile, okay? So if I just take that out for a minute, that is all waste. Okay, so we're going to cut that out afterwards. So we'll do that now. Alright, Harry? Yeah. So just stop the recording there. So all I'm going to do is very carefully angle that sword down, and I'll just speed this up when I do it on the video. So you've got to saw cut that. Just above that shoulder line, you can see that quirk. Yeah, same at the other side. That's to cut that out. If we don't cut it loads of times like that, we're reliant on that grain. And if the grain runs downhill and I try and chop it between there and there, and that runs down, I'll lose the battle. Just be really sharp, it doesn't normally put that line into that. Just go diagonally, like that, so that you can control how much comes off. If you hit it like this, straight away, that's just going to break out. You need to control it. So if I go like that, a bit further down. And then that one, I'll turn that way. Use this line here as my guide, and I can just pare that away. Press on with my thumb. I'm going to pare like that. I'm pressing on like loads with my thumb. Can you see how it just cuts? It stops the resistance. Now that's cut out for there. I know that that goes in there. Yeah. So that needs to look like a mitre. So we'd normally mitre that way, that mould, yeah? So if we put that on there with your name on it, I know that that's right. So take them off together, and then we know we can't get that wrong. Okay, put the style to one side, get that, turn it round that way, and put it in the vise. Okay, so we need that corner there to be level with that. So what I'm going to do, I reckon that is just right now, yeah? Tighten that up. Get a chisel. And now what I can do if you want is keep that flat on there. You can mark that. You can mark that, and I can mark it around there. So that gives you your line, yeah? Now I can use the chisel while that's on. Okay, and then the final bit, just try and slice that and you get a nice clean edge. There you go. We can highlight that, and that, like that, and that's the bit you're going to chop out. So we can start chopping that out like that across the drain. More out of that. As long as you cut across the grain every time, you'll be fine. Right, now you can get the gouge, and you can start very carefully. Take that out. Out there. Like that, cutting out. Right. So you can get, I need a little go down. So the very last bit, we just need to take that down there, don't we? So that needs to go down. We just need to take that tenon down there, don't we? So that's good. There. And then we'll just clean that up. Like that. Should do.